How to enable or disable hide from notification panel when the screen is on with Do Not Disturb turned on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down. Then in here, tap on notifications. After that, we go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Hide Notifications. After that, you go to the When the Screen is On section and tap on Hide from Notification Panel. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn this on, the two features below that will be disabled. Otherwise, if you want to customize hide status bar icons or don't show pop notifications, you need to switch off hide from notification panel. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.